Stop there.
All right, here we are, cruising down the street in my 6'4". Wait, no, we're just cruising down the highway in my Silverado. It is March 9th. I think it's March 9th, right? Daylight savings time just happened, and we're doing a little weekend adventure right now.
Woo.
Oh yeah, and thought we'd talk about the Daytona Supercross, right?
It's very interesting.
Right? Why was it interesting? It was awesome because
because Tomac came back from like 14th. No, mainly because Chad Reed beat Davalos and ended up in 13th place for the first time in his entire 2020 season.
Well, I was going to talk about 250 class and Garrett Marchbanks getting his first win.
Oh, shoot. Yeah.
Utah boy, right down the road from us in Park City, Colville, Utah, like 10 minutes down the road, gets his first win on the Pro Circuit Cowie. And then Eli Tomac crushes the...
Not say crush.
Right.
Let's not say crush.
He could have got a better start, but he hunted down K-Rock, Kenny Roxon.
Yeah, and one more lap, he wouldn't have hit it.
All right. But is that really the reason why we're got the camera rolling right now?
No.
What is the reason, babe, that we have this camera rolling down the highway?
Because we're going shopping.
What kind of shopping?
For me to get a dirt bike.
What?
Yep.
That sounds
it's true.
effing sick.
I'm
right.
really terrified and really excited. But going shopping for...
What kind of dirt bike?
Well, there's been a long debate. We were shopping for an 85 two-stroke, but now we're shopping for a Honda 150 four-stroke.
That's what's up.
And I'm really excited about it because I feel like four-stroke's going to be a lot easier for me to learn on. But the other bikes are just too heavy and too big. So Greg keeps calling it a super mini, but let's not call it that. It's not a super mini. It is a bike.
I think it's a super mini. But sounds like a plan. Enough of us blabbering about this bike we haven't even seen yet. We're about to go check it out right now. We're an hour out, so we'll keep you guys posted.
Google and ask questions.
Yeah, what she said.
You know a lot.
All right, guys. So, what do you think actually happened? Do you think we got the bike? Do you think we didn't get the bike? What I do know is that we ended up at this sushi place to get some food. And the reason why we did is because, one, we're hungry as hell, but two, we are here to celebrate because guess what? We got over... What the heck are you doing?
Is that not how it goes?
That's definitely not how it goes. You got to switch around, even though the phone might be backwards. No, I don't think it is. But, so,
Brap Braap.
yes,
it fits.
We ended up getting the bike. So here it is, the lovely 2011 CRF150 for Samantha.
So exciting.
Tell us what you think about it.
I think that it is absolutely the perfect size, and it is the perfect height. It's the perfect weight. The handlebars actually look good, so they did have the risers already on it.
It's got some nice rentals on there, actually.
Is that the swing arm?
Even though it says Pro Taper, they're actually a rental bar. Yeah, exactly. That's the swing arm.
So they had a ranch up in Idaho, and it was a family, which is really cool because we got to see, like, the dad had a bike, the son had a bike. 2016
KX450.
Yep.
The son was 14 years old. He was way too big for this bike. That's why he was selling it.
He got it when he was 12, which is perfect for me since I am basically 12.
So he had it for a couple years, but basically time for him to upgrade and time for Samantha to get her new bike.
Okay, so I will tell you all the details.
Hey,
the front tire is the original stock front tire. So we found out that the original owner actually had this bike. It was a female who trail rode for 23 hours. With a kickstand, which is really valuable. We're gonna have to, lube the chain and stuff.
But yeah, first thing when I saw the bike, I was like, wow, this thing looks actually pretty clean. I mean, it's a little bit kind of dirty from your basic wear and tear, but got underneath it, got my knees dirty, looked underneath, basically looking for any oil leaks or anything around the drain plug, like around this, around the valve cover or anything, if the oil was leaking, and everything seems pretty tight and top notch, nothing Nothing too crazy there.
We
to
took the seat
mention.
cover off and
Yeah, we
we
did.
checked the air filter. It actually doesn't look like he did a great job changing it. I know he was riding last weekend down in St. George, but it's pretty caked.
But if you guys saw my intro video on the 2007 Kicks 250, that thing was caked, not like this air filter. So good thing that it wasn't in too bad of a condition.
Yeah.
But it's got a pretty new rear tire on it actually. That Michelin, so good thing we don't have to get a rear tire, only that front tire.
And the drivetrain looks pretty good as well.
Oh, nice use of vocabulary.
Yeah, I googled it.
But yeah, I got new black plastics on it, but overall, perfect first bike for Sam to learn on, and we're pretty stoked to get out on it. So when do you want to go ride?
Yeah, I literally tried to go tonight, and he just said no. So we took you to sushi instead.
All right, well, you need a helmet first. You got the boots and the gear, but now you need a helmet.
Yeah. Any suggestions on what helmet I should get?
Leave a comment down below if you guys have any suggestions. Well, we just got to the sushi place, so we're going inside to get some sushi to celebrate. So thanks for watching. Peace. Put some force into it. Boom. Yeah. Then put the kickstand back in. Kickstart back in. She needs a helmet. Oh. So there you go. You started your first bike. How's it feel?
I really like to clean up so we don't get brains from breaking it.
Yeah, right? Why don't you rev it up a little bit? What do you think? All right, let's get it.
Okay.
Shut it off.